Welcome to the Home Buyer Success Academy, and congratulations on taking the first step towards finding your new home. This academy is your comprehensive, definitive guide to buying a home, covering every step, decision, and detail along the way. So whether you're a first-time buyer or looking just to refresh your knowledge with the latest techniques and tips, you'll find everything you need here to confidently navigate the home buying process. The Academy will give you clear, practical information and real-world advice. By the end of this Academy, you'll have the ability to purchase the best home in the best neighborhood for the best price. You'll gain a competitive advantage that sets you apart from the other buyers in the market. You'll understand the entire home buying process inside and out, from financial preparation to closing, giving you the confidence to make the informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. With this knowledge, you'll be empowered to negotiate effectively, recognize great opportunities, and move through each step with clarity and assurance, ensuring you get the best possible outcome on your home purchase. The Academy you have just unlocked follows a proven system that is responsible for over $7 billion in sales, resulting in hundreds of millions in overall home cost savings. We cannot wait to see how much you will save by leveraging the techniques you're about to learn. However, if at any time you have questions regarding the process, you just need to reach out to us and we will be happy to give you the answers you need. Also know that if you ever want to hit the easy button and use our nationwide team to guarantee you get the best home at the best price in the best neighborhood, reach out and we would love to chat with you to see if we are a good fit together. For more about the easy button, skip to step 5 and check out the video from my team's coordinator for more details. So regardless if you choose to go on this journey alone or with another real estate team, we want to make sure you are armed with the tools and knowledge to make great home buying decisions. Let's get started.